Malaika Arora, Arjun Kapoor ignore each other, sit separately at event amid breakup rumors. Vertical bar watch. It sounds like Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor were the subject of some gossip recently. When celebrities are seen avoiding each other or sitting separately at events, it can spark a lot of speculation about their personal lives. Often, such moments are interpreted through the lens of ongoing rumors or public interest. However, it's worth remembering that events like these might not always reflect the full story. Celebrities, like anyone else, have complex lives and relationships that aren't always visible to the public. Sometimes, these moments can be due to logistical reasons, busy schedules, or just a temporary lapse in communication. If you are interested, watching the event coverage might give you more context about what actually happened. But unless there's an official statement from them or their representatives, it's best to approach such rumors with a bit of skepticism. Background context. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor are a high-profile couple in Bollywood, and their relationship has often been a topic of public interest. They've been together for several years, and their romance has frequently been in the media spotlight. Public appearances and events often become focal points for speculation, especially when there are rumors about their relationship status. Possible reasons for their behavior. Personal space. Celebrities, like anyone else, might need personal space or have their own reasons for keeping distance at public events. This doesn't necessarily indicate a relationship problem. Professional considerations. They might have had different schedules or commitments that led them to be at the event but not necessarily interact much. Event dynamics. Sometimes, event seating and interactions are influenced by factors like the event's format, media presence, or simply the way things are organized. Temporary issues. Any couple can go through phases of misunderstanding or disagreement. What's seen in public might not always reflect the full scope of their relationship. Public reaction. The public's reaction to such situations can be intense, with fans and media speculating about the nature of the couple's relationship. This can sometimes lead to misinformation or exaggerated narratives. Responding to rumors. Both Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor might choose to address or ignore rumors based on their preference for privacy or public image management. Celebrities often navigate these situations carefully, balancing their personal lives with public expectations. Moving forward. If you are keen on keeping up with their lives, it might be helpful to